Good day to my prospective employer. My name is Jerilyn Bayukan Baldris. I am 42 years of age. My height is 154 centimeter. I am married with 2 kids. I do not have any long-term medication. I do not have any serious illness or disease. And I have experience in Singapore from 2008 to 2026. My duties are cleaning entire house, taking care of elderly, and taking care of kids. My daily assistance with chores, laundry, grocery, shopping, cooking, and ironing. My preferred duties are I'm willing to cook Chinese food. I am willing to do all household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, car washing, and taking care of small dogs. I want to work Singapore because of higher salary, and I need to support the financial of my family. And I am assure you that I will finish my contract and always keep the safety of your children. I will do my best to serve your family well. I am looking forward to look for you soon. Thank you, ma'am and sir.